Hello everyone. In this video I want to show you the new model of Orient Pepsi Diver RA-AC0K03L10B with automatic movements. The watch come with box, papers and warranty card. So let's open the box. An amazing piece, really impressive. The dial is matte with a faint starburst pattern and large, round dots for hour markers. Its hardiness is enhanced by a sapphire crystal, screwed-down crown, and 200 meters water resistance that all work to keep it ticking, rain or shine. The offset positioning of the crown at 4 o'clock also offers superior wrist comfort. Like the Neptune, the RA-AC0K showcases powerful, lasting lume on the hands, hour markers, and pip of the bezel. These features combined ensure the watch has all the toughness and legibility of its predecessors while sacrificing none of the wearability. Bezel resembles that of Rolex, in blue and red, also known as Pepsi. The watch have automatic movement with caliber F6722 with 22 joules, with hack function of the mechanism. Thank you for the watching.